EnvisionTEC has been working for the last couple years on advancing high-speed printing with the cDLM technology. What we've been doing with our R&D team that I'm so very proud of is developing a material tray that allows you to build flat parts. There's one big issue that comes with the usage of a oxygen permeable film. When you take the oxygen and apply it from below, you will create a dome effect. That means when you're trying to build a flat part, you're going to create some circles that represent the dome. The film has to be constantly stretched, which means you're constantly putting it under tension, so the life of the film is going to deteriorate quite fast. That's the difference between our domeless basement and the figure 4 and clip technology that's out there. We came up with a film that is a lot cheaper, but also, no matter what happens, under any circumstances, there will never be a dome effect. And when we build everything flat, they are accurate on the center and on the edges, and there will be no variation in the Z height, which makes the cDLM technology and the new domeless basement a great new experience that always delivers the best solutions that the customer needs.